Deposed Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro and his wife Cilia Flores were transferred from a New York detention center to court on Monday, marking a dramatic moment in international politics and U.S. law enforcement. According to the Associated Press, heavily armed guards escorted the couple under tight security to a waiting helicopter. From there, they were flown directly to a federal courthouse in Manhattan, where Maduro was expected to face narco-terrorism charges, the same charges the Trump administration cited as justification for capturing him and bringing him to the United States. Maduro and his wife are scheduled to appear before a judge at noon for a brief but legally required court hearing. While the proceeding itself is expected to be short, it could mark the beginning of a long and complex legal battle over whether Maduro can legally be tried in the United States. The couple was transported from a Brooklyn detention facility to a Manhattan courthouse located just blocks from the courthouse where former President Donald Trump was convicted in 2024 on charges of falsifying business records. The symbolism of the location has not gone unnoticed. As a criminal defendant in the U.S. legal system, Nicolás Maduro will be granted the same constitutional rights as any other person accused of a crime. These include the right to legal counsel and the right to a trial by a jury of ordinary New Yorkers. However, his case is anything but ordinary. Maduro's legal team is expected to aggressively challenge the legality of his arrest. Their central argument is that Maduro, as a former and, in their view, still legitimate head of state, is immune from prosecution under international law. U.S. prosecutors, on the other hand, argue that his alleged involvement in drug trafficking and terrorism strips him of such protections. Live images from Newscopter 7 captured the tense moments leading up to the transfer. Earlier in the day, the convoy moved slowly through Brooklyn's back streets near Bush Terminal in Industry City, avoiding main roads for security reasons. In the footage, Cilia Flores can be seen seated on the driver's side of one of the vehicles, while Nicolás Maduro sits on the opposite side. Both were taken into custody over the weekend and flown to New York under heavy guard. The helicopter waiting to transport them became the focal point of the operation, with law enforcement carefully coordinating every step. Observers noted the extraordinary measures in place, reflecting the global significance of the case. As the helicopter prepared for departure, reporters described the scene as one of those rare moments when New York City becomes the center of the world stage. Cameras rolled, journalists stood by, and the world watched as a former head of state faced the U.S. justice system. What happens next could set a historic precedent. The court's decisions in the coming days may reshape how international law, sovereignty, and accountability intersect in cases involving powerful political figures. For now, all eyes remain in Manhattan as this unprecedented legal drama continues to unfold.